In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the text outline effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported this video onto my timeline and I've also created this simple text over here. Now, if I drag this text and place it above this video, the text is going to be basically covering the entire video. To create the text outline effect, select the video over here, hold Alt and drag it 2 tracks above to duplicate it. Select the duplicated clip in video track layer 3. Come over here and select the object mask tool and select your subject over here. And in effects control, select track, select forward and backward, and automatically Premiere Pro will mask out your subject from the background. The next thing you need to do is to select this object mask over here and drag it to the opacity settings over here. What this will do is that if I toggle on this video track layer 1, you'll see that the subject has been completely removed from the background over there. What we need to do next is to select our text layer over here and under effects control, ensure that the fill is turned on. Now select the text layer, hold Alt and drag it to video track layer 4 and select the text layer in video track layer 4 and under effects control, toggle off fill and toggle on stroke. Now if you go ahead and hit play, you can see what we've created over here. And that's it guys on how to create this text outline effect in Premiere Pro.